Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the 10-minute morning. Today is January the 25th, 2022. And you are listening / watching the 10-minute morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This week, the 10-minute morning is brought to you by, I'm not even, there we go. JAHNKE Ranches. Home of the original train station. Big shout out to them in Ghoultown, producing quality beef for decades and decades, and hopefully for decades to come. Big shout out to them over there. They specifically requested to sponsor today's episode, so hopefully we do them justice. All right. And Beachside Burgers. Burgers are better at the beach. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Alrighty, what do we got in the weather? Woo! Little frost on the pumpkin. Not as much as there was 20 years ago at this place, but yeah. Still dark out, you can't see, but it is cold. Cold, cold, cold. Right now at the dam, it is minus 29. Clear. With 6-kilometer winds out of the south. Makes it feel like minus 36. Humidity's at 72. Good visibility right now because nothing is out there. Moving. Sun will rise at 8:53. By noon, no, it's going to be minus 23. Good news is by supper time at 5 p.m., it's going to be minus 11. So it's warming up quite a bit throughout the day. Sun will set at 5:44, starting to stretch out a little bit. Not enough, but getting a little bit bigger, or longer days. Sure makes you tired when the sun goes down. When the sun goes down. All right. What else do we got? Oh, hockey action. Moving on to sports. Hockey action. There's a big game tomorrow. You gotta let me get to my notes here. All right. So right now the standings are Keniston in first, Kyle in second, Eston in third, Butte in fourth. Now there's a game tomorrow night between Outlook and Dinsmore. Don't know why they couldn't have got it done on the weekend when everybody else did. But if Outlook wins that game, then it's Kyle. Then it's Keniston in first. Kyle. Outlook in third. Eston in fourth. And it's a neat thing on the SVHL, and I totally agree with it. You get to pick your opponent in the first round. If you don't like it, finish higher in the standings. You can save some travel, or lots of times, so many times in hockey, you could be the first place team and the 8th place team has your number. So gives you a chance to avoid that a little bit. I know all them years of midget AAA my kids played, we were a third of the way down, or like we finished in one of them areas. And one of the top teams, we swept them all the time. So knowing that, you would avoid a situation like that. Anyway. Moving on. What do we got? Episode 69. Who would have thought we ever got to episode 69? Thank you very much. Well, 69 is a very important number. And here are some facts on the number 69. It is a semi-prime number. Now, a semi-prime number is... I had it up here, but... Oh, great. It doesn't tell me what a semi-prime is. It's a composite number that is the product of two possibly equal primes. Okay? Well, you can look it up. 69 is also known as the Odysseus number. No idea what the heck that means. 69 is also the angel number, means it's a sign of immense growth. It's pretty cool. 1969 was also the Beatles' last public appearance. And in 1969, the jumbo jet Boeing 747 made its debut. Wow, do I wish I was on one of them things right now. You have no idea how much I would like to go away. One of the beauties about being married to a teacher, days off are not always the easiest things to get. All right. Robbie Burns Day, the Scottish poet. Not that that means a lot, but one of my best friends growing up was Robbie Burns. So a little shout out to Porky. Just thinking today, you have no idea how much I miss them lazy days of us riding bikes around looking for something to do. Isn't it funny how life changes, life evolves, my life moves on. Anyway, short and sweet today. Thanks for everybody for tuning in. If you got a chance tonight, go out for dinner for two. Thanks for tuning in. Time to get to work. Have a great day, everybody.